In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fillable form with drop-down lists in Microsoft Word. If you're working on a document that requires interactive elements like menus for users to choose from, then Word offers a fantastic feature that can make your task much simpler. Let's dive in and see how to do this step by step. To begin, you'll need to open your Microsoft Word document. Make sure you have your document ready because this is where you will be implementing the drop-down list. The next step involves enabling a special feature in Word called the Developer tab, which gives you access to a host of advanced controls and options. So, to get that handy Developer tab, first click on File in the top menu. You should see an array of options. From there, go ahead and click on Options. This will open the Word Options window, which is where you'll customize your toolbars. Now, in this Options window, look over to the left side and find the option that says Customize Ribbon. Once you click on this, you'll see a list on the right side labeled Main Tabs. Scroll through this until you find the Developer option. Check the box next to Developer, which will add this tab to your Word ribbon. Click OK to save these settings. Now you should see the Developer tab at the top of your Word document. Next, place your cursor at the spot in your document where you want to insert your drop-down list. This is crucial because the drop-down menu will appear at this specific location. Now, navigate to the Developer tab that you just enabled. Here, find the Controls group. You'll notice several buttons with different icons. Click on the drop-down list content control icon, which resembles a mini drop-down menu. Once you've done that, a box will appear in your document that says choose an item. Now, while this new box is still selected, click the properties button, also found in the controls group. This is where you'll set up your drop-down options. In the content control properties dialog box that appears, you'll see fields where you can add details about your drop-down list. You can, if you wish, give your drop-down a title, though this step is optional. Next, focus on the section labeled Drop-Down List Properties. Here's where you start adding items to your drop-down menu. Click the Add D button. A new window appears prompting you to enter text for your first drop-down item. Type in the text you need, then click OK to add it to the list. If you have additional items, you'll repeat this process for each one, ensuring your drop-down list is comprehensive. Finally, when you've added all your necessary items, click OK again to close the Properties dialog box and apply your settings. There you have it, a fillable form complete with a drop-down list. Now you're ready to gather responses or provide a structured form for others to fill out, all within your Word document.